Okay, so we will continue to the next chapter. The next chapter is game theory. Okay, thank you very much for Miss Amelia for creating this slide, Amelia Kurniwati. But now she is yeah, lecturing on another class maybe. Okay, game theory. What is game theory? Okay, game theory. Why we have to understand this method? Because life is full of conflict and competition. Yeah, in politics, in product marketing, maybe in sport, there is a conflict, a competition. Hmm. Based on those reasons, this material, this course, we deliver to decide the best decision in how to handle the competitor strategy. Yeah. So the game theory is part of science, especially in mathematics field, that related to decision making. When at least two decision maker have a competition situation, and then each one of them want to win the competition, at least two. And for now, we only learn about two player in game theory. Hmm. Okay, the basic assumption here is all the participant is doing common strategy, not always common, but for this lecturer maybe the strategy is related one player to another player, and if every participant knowing their competitor strategy, so it's open information, everyone know what will they choose to decide, another his opponent choose to decide. Every competitor want to optimize their decision to make their competitors loss, yeah. And then we will learn about 2% zero sum game. Yeah, this is the main topic here. 2%. Yeah, not 3, not 4. It's more complicated. If you see website in MIT, game theory is one lecture. Yeah, one course. But this is only introduction, so this is only one topic in operation research course. But in another university, you will have an opportunity to learn game theory in a single independent course. Game theory 1, game theory 2, like that. Operation research 1, operation research 2. Usually in mathematics field, economics, and industrial engineering. It's very rare if you try to find it in electrical engineering or informatics. Usually in this topic is in informatics, in industrial engineering and economics. Okay, so the founder of this topic, the founder of this method, the Nash, yeah, Nash, his name is Nash, uh, solved economics Nobel Award, yeah, because it's very good implementation in economic field. So this is our goal. Understand the basic concept of decision making in multiple alternative situation. And then understand the problem solving in game theory. Okay, basic element. There is two method: pure strategy and mixed strategy. In mixed strategy, there is two x2 matrix and then two xn matrix. But for this week and next week, we will try to understand the simplest version first. Okay. Okay, like that. I have. I will skip this. So game theories depend to this variable: number of players, number of payoff, maybe profit or loss, number of strategy for each players. Yeah, for each player has their own alternative strategy. Okay, number of players, it can be 2 players or it can be more players, but it cannot be 1 players. In game theory, the minimum number of players is 2. Yeah, the minimum number of players is 2. Okay. Zero sum game mean the number of profit and loss in a game is 0. Okay, I will expand in the example. Okay. So 2% zero sum, a game with two players where a player's profit is same as another's loss. So if player A win, another players is lost. What is the example of zero sum game? I think it's football, yeah, football game. If one person win, another person will be lose. Okay. Okay, what is the basic element of game theory? So this is the the board, yeah, board game, yeah. So we have two player here, player A and player B. Okay, before I explain more depth, I will recall our illustration before. Okay, maybe you remember this condition. Okay, you have two player here, striker and goalkeeper, yeah, striker and goalkeeper. Okay, maybe in FIFA or Pro Evolution Soccer. And then for the striker, he have two alternative decision: strike to the west or strike to the east. Okay. And then for goalkeeper, he can do a two alternative strategy: jump to the west or jump to the east. So this is the payoff. If striker strike to the west and goalkeeper to the west, the keeper will be catch the ball, yeah. But if you strike to the striker strike to shoot to the west and the goalkeeper to the right, it will be goal. Okay, so it's like that, yeah. Just to remind you. Okay, so like that, it's same, but for player A, there is two alternative, whether he choose A1 or A2. Yeah. For player B, he can choose three alternative: B1, B2, or B3. Yeah. So this is the payoff. So how we read this payoff? Okay. So this is the outcome. Yeah. Okay, the outcome here is for simplicity, uh, for your study only. This number is according to player A. So 6 mean A will be get 6 and B will lose 6. Yeah. A will be get 6 and B will lose 6. So which one is which one is the best number for A? 9, because it's highest number. But which one is the best number for B? 2, because this is loss. This 2 mean loss for B. Yeah, right, like that. This is. But in another course, I have studied in many course, online course, in maybe in from Cornell, from MIT, there is always two number in every cells. Usually 6, 6 and 5. Huh? Okay. 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 Next. Okay. Let's. So strategy is a choice here. The rule of the game will guide how each player choose their own strategy. Oke, sebentar ya. Oke, ini ya. A strategy is dominant if the payoff in strategy is superior compared to other payoff. Ya, dominant strategy. Game score state the outcome expectation per game if both of the player doing their best strategy. So we will try to find the best strategy for each of their two player, because maybe the best strategy is 9 to get 9. So A will choose A1, but B will not choose B2, of course, because he want to get the lowest number. It will be 2. So which one is the best number for both of them? Not only for A, but for B too. Yeah. So which one? 5 maybe. Okay, how to calculate that? Okay, let's try. So we have to find the best choice position, and then we have to identify the optimal strategy for every players. Okay. Okay, how to find the solution? Okay,